This is an accessory for the portable outdoor air conditioner from Gouka W01. The built-in handle on the top allows you to carry it with one hand, so you can enjoy cool air outdoors anytime and anywhere. Installation is easy. By installing the front wind cover and exhaust duct, you can direct cool air into the tent through the duct while keeping the unit outside, saving space inside. And the highest speed is 320 cubic meters per hour. Or you can install the back wind cover and exhaust duct. You can place the air conditioner inside the tent. Hot air is vented outside through the duct, keeping the tent free of heat. This outdoor air conditioner offers 6 modes and 3 main functions. The drainage tube is only needed in dry mode. In other modes, it can be used directly. It features 3 control options: touchscreen, remote control, mobile app control, so you can adjust settings from anywhere. From daylight to nighttime, from summer to winter, this Gouka Portable Outdoor Air Conditioner is the perfect choice for you.